Now talk about the panel functions. The first button is for gasless 0.8 wire rotary switch. Current and voltage distribution after pressing one button. One gasless flux cord welding wire. Synergy. Automatic matching of welding current with plate thickness. The fourth is lift tick. Synergy. Now talk about the MIG welding. Torch installation. Quick plug connect. Negative pole. Circular connector connect the positive pole. Ground clamp connect positive pole. Finish the gas pipe torch installation. Now talk about the lift tick torch installation. Quick plug for torch. Connect negative pole. Gas pipe connect gas bottle. Ground clamp. Connect positive pole. Finish the torch installation. Now let us talk about MMA holder installation. MMA holder connect to the negative pole. Connected to negative electrode. Ground clamp. Connect positive pole. MMA holder finish installation. Now talk about the wire reel installation. Press and rotary counterclockwise to pull out. Install the wire reel. After that, lock it by rotary clockwise. Now use 0.8 wire. Keep 0.8 wire outwards. Shall remove the nozzle in advance when wire feeder. Remove the conductive nozzle. Install the nozzle when the wire come out. Wire reel installation finish.